Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Deadpool suit in InVision's Web Verse. Getting this awesome outfit is a fun challenge that will have you exploring every corner of the game. You'll need to complete a specific in-game task to unlock it, which involves a bit of searching and keen observation. It's a rewarding experience that adds a fantastic new look to your character, making your adventures even more exciting. The primary step to acquiring the Deadpool suit is to locate and collect all 15 chimichangas hidden across the webverse. These delicious treats are cleverly placed in diverse environments, from towering skyscrapers to secluded alleyways. Take your time to explore each district thoroughly, as some chimichangas might be in plain sight, while others require a bit more detective work. Collecting all 15 is crucial for unlocking the suit. Once you have successfully gathered all 15 chimichangas, the next step is to equip your brand new Deadpool suit. Head into the game's main menu and look for the Extras tab. Within this section, you will find the option to select and equip the Deadpool outfit. Simply click on it, and your character will instantly transform into the merc with a mouth, ready for action. To make your chimichanga hunt easier, remember to use your character's unique movement abilities, like web swinging, to access elevated areas and cover ground quickly. Some chimichangas are intentionally placed in hard-to-reach spots, so don't be afraid to experiment with your traversal skills. If you get stuck, many community-created guides can offer hints for those particularly elusive items. Happy hunting, and enjoy your new suit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.